Emakhosini, ngiyanibingelela nina lapha emakhaya, you beautiful Kemites. Umkhulisider lo, igedla lamashishki, inyanga yamakhosi. And I welcome you guys to another episode of Kemi TV. Bagwetu, this particular episode is an update episode. Since I've been gone for 6 months, updating you on services, updating you on offerings, and just giving you information. Ukuthi you must know where we stand. I'm sure you saw the title there, and sizokhuluma ngalo ibhavu lokukhanyisa, bese sizokhuluma ngayo futhi ukuhlola ngesipili noma a mirror reading. But before we go into that, I must remind you guys again, the offer is still open, guys. Sekuyagcwala, sengizovala. I'm even thinking of closing the offer early because ifoni yami ayisathuli, sengibuyile ifoni yami iloku iyabhaza abantu bayafona. I am offering free consultations to a limited number of people, not only to test lokho engikufundile noma my new visual prowess, but as well to start off umsebenzi wami njengoba ngibuyile by giving something away. Bathi he who gives will receive, but do not give with the intention of receiving. Simply give in order that God might remember you too one day as you remembered his children. So I'm offering free consultations. To those of you that are interested in getting a free consultation, go into the comment section and type in free consultation and I will reply to you. Or you can text us on WhatsApp on 061 178 1304. If you're interested in a free consultation, just send through Mkulu, I'm interested in a free consultation, and I'll send you all the valid details. Okay, the offer is limited. I'm not going to be reading everyone. I can't possibly read message. No, I am going to be only selecting a few based on the questionnaire I sent through and how serious your situation is. Then ngizokusiza Mkulu. And number two, the Stunya mentorship program is going up on Udemy and Coursera. It's gonna be free for everybody who has been a mentee and is a mentee. This course is much more comprehensive and much more structured than the way I was mentoring my mentees. This way you have access to all 12 weeks of the mentorship. But in between the week, we pace you with tasks, with assignments, between Ptolemiti and things that you must do in between. Ptolemiti, ukuya emanzini, ABCD, izinto ekumele uzenze. We give you assignments so that you can feel like you're being mentored. And as well, if you've bought the course and you have proof that you've bought the course, you also have an open line to liaison with me. For those of you that know, I take a while to reply. But if you've taken the course or you're a mentee, I reply to you. Within a day, I reply back to you. So the course is gonna go up on Udemy and on Coursera as soon as it launches, which is in the next 10 days. So we will be posting a video on it. Sintshela ukuthi this is how much it is. Putting the link up ukuthi uhambe wena mntana omoya oxakekile uye wathi uyahamba uyofuna ukulungisa isithunywa bathi 20,000. Khona omunye ugogo le KZN bekangitshela ukuthi yena ukuthi bamphakamisela isithunywa beku 10,000. Omunye ugogo and mind you, akayo kuyothwasa noma ukuyohlala lapha ukuthi bamfundise, bamuse emanzini ukuthi bayosiphakamisa nge-10,000 uyoswima for 10,000 rand. Ngathi ngeke. Let me do something about this. So I've created a course and I'm going to be giving it to bonke abantwana bomoya for a very, very low and affordable price. Globally at that. So that if kunomuntu onesithunywa le eAmerica, kunomuntu onesithunywa le eCanada, I've had patients from Netherlands, I've had patients from Swaziland, I've had patients from all over the world who have flown in to see me. Just ukuthi balungise indaba yabo yomoya. So that being the case, mina ngithi ngizobayenzela by giving them this course so that they have at least guidances, and even if they can't get some of the things that are needed, I can work with them so that they can be taken from this side to that side. Although it is rather tough, guys. I must say, guys, it's rather tough. And customs in particular is very careful when it comes to miscellaneous miscellaneous items like meat, especially liquids. Foreign customs give me a hard time uma ngithumela umuthi ngani. It will be held, it won't come back, it will come back. It's a nightmare. So I'm trying to currently find a way to work around that. If I can find a way to get Initium to travel overseas without having trouble with customs, then I should be able to assist. But globally, you can still take this course. It'll give you appropriate guidelines. If you come back to me, I'll give you alternatives. And that's the update on the mentorship. We are no longer taking any mentees for this year because Umkhulu usewugobela. So I'm about to open up ukuthi ngiqale ngithwasise. Angisamentori sengizothwasisa. Umuntu makazothwasa uzohlala la nami ngizomvuruza azophuma naye aphume sekaphelele awumprofeti ayinyanga. But as for mentoring ukuthi umuntu uzotravel aza la, no more. Guys, last update, my business WhatsApp crashed. If you sent a message between 5 and 4 months ago, I did not see that message. I'm not gonna receive that message. Please resend your message to me. Please resend your message to me in order for me to assist you. Ungathi umphuseli ngamthumela imessage azangaphinde aphendule. No, resend it. I guarantee you I will read your message and we will take it from where you want us to take it. If we were at the beginning or the semaphakathini, sizoyithatha from lapho siqhubeke sisebenzele phambili. This year we serious. This year akusadlali. This year we serious. This year akusadlali. Umuntu onesilwane masiphume isilwane. Umuntu as a spiritual wife and husband mayiphume spiritual wife and husband. Umuntu izinto zakhe ezivalekile masimhlole simnikeze into esho guarantee ezosebenzela yena ukuthi yena imvulela izinto. Umuntu othi ufuna ukulungisa indaba zakhe zomoya masimhlole umzimhlula simtshele ekuqaleni asafika ukuthi goga engangawo hamba uphahla idlozi lakho utshele ukuthi izohlula le journey le hamba. Or if uyafika userious simtshele ukuthi gogo uzothwasa la. Angithi siyezwana makhosi. So send your messages back to me so that we can take it from where we left it. Siqhubekele phambili. Those are one of the updates, guys. Another update is please book according to appointments because I'm not gonna be here all the time. So ungavese ufike la ngoba uma ufika la ukuthiwa angikho mkhulu. Usuzobuyela lapho uswabile la uphuma khona. So send me a message, tell me mkhulu ngifuna ukufika ngale langa elithize ukuze ngizohlola, ukuze ngizoyenza ukuthi, ukuze ngizoyetha ukuthi, ngizokutshela ukuthi I'm available ngisebenzela khona la eMondweni namhlanje, and then I can assist you. Now, going into loku okuphathelane nalesihloko lesi sale video le. Asike siqaleni laba kwethu. Kunabantu okuyimanje abageziswe emanzini kayi-8, abantu abageziswe ey'mpophomeni, abantu abayiswe elwandle kodwa izinto savaliwe, izinto asiqhubekeli phambili. Ngithi kuwe, you've spent thousands now uloku ugeza ngama-3,000 ama-5,000. Ngithi kuwe, come to me with 450 ngikufake ebhavini lokukhanyisa, ngizokuyenza umlingo ngayo. Uzongena endumbeni ungitshele ukuthi mkhulu, out of le bhavi ngifuna umsebenzi, mkhulu nginebhizinisi, mkhulu ngidayisa ngomzimba, mkhulu ukuthi kodwa mkhulu ngifuna ukuthi kukhanye empilweni yami. Mina-ke ngizobe sengibheka ukuthi yini ebambile empilweni yakho. Le bhavi le lizoyisoda leyo. La manzi engiwasebenzisa lapha is not normal water. Amanzi engiwatholile kanye ahlanganiswe namanzi wempophoma, amanzi weziba, amanzi waselwandle, amanzi wezinye indawo esingeke sikhulume ngazo. Bese kubuye kufakwe umuthi thizeni wamanzi khona nalapha ngaphakathi. A surefire thing ukuthi uma sikusebenza, uma le bhavi lihluleka, kumele ukuthi kusuke kuyidlozi lakho elikuvalile ngoba wena wabulala umuntu. Lapho-ke ngizokutshela ukuthi le bhavi angeke usebenze mkhulu, wena unegazi ezandleni zakho, kungcono uhambe uyothwala. Ngoba idlozi lakho kahle kahle likufuna ejele, wena likufuna ejele idlozi lakho. Wena mkhulu wahamba wayolala nomuntu onesithwalo, wena gogo, wena sisi ndini, wahamba wayolala nomuntu othwele wakunika i-40,000 kanti uthwebula inhlanhla yakho, uthwebula isibeletho sakho. Wayidla kamnandi leyo 40,000 kwavaleka konke shu. Ayikho into engizokwenzela yona sisi, kwakuwu-40,000 wokugcina loya. That was your last time to ball out. Sekuphelile. Kodwa wena ofikayo uthi yazini mkhulu, khona into engicindezelayo, angazi ngivela amashashaza, angazi noma isichitho. Hey mkhulu, uma ngilele ebusuku ngibopha khona umuntu ongikhombayo, okhafulayo. Ufike lana ngizokuyenzela lento. 450 mkhulu. It will be the last time you ever need anything like ama-above again. Sivalile emanzini. Ubusika manje, sivalile emanzini. Akekho umuntu engizomusa emanzini. Angeke ngixhaphaze abantwana babantu. Ngihambe ngiyobaxhobhoza lapha emanzini wasefrijini. Phela ayabanda amanzi manje. Angikhoni ukuhambisa umuntu emanzini, kodwa I guarantee you ukuthi le above will have the same effect as it would have if bengikuthathe ngakuse emanzini. If bengikuthathe ngakuse emanzini, you will get the same results from i-above. I-above lokukhanyisa bakwethu, send your booking fee, usho ukuthi mkhulu nayo 450 yami ngifuna ukufika kusasa. Ngidinga umsebenzi mkhulu. Uzofika lana, ngicela ukuthi uma ufika ney'mpahla ezimhlophe nje kuphela. Only white clothes. You must be covered in white clothes or you must be covered in a white cloth uma ngikufaka kula manzi. Once ngikufakile khona into ozophuma nayo uma uphuma lana engizokutshela ukuthi uyenzeni uma ufika endlini. This is something that is ehlambulukile, eclean, evulayo ngenkani. Angifuni ukugeqa amagula ngitshele ukuthi it might not. If you come here and you're in a condition where something external is blocking your things, or something minor internal, ukungcola okuncane or ukungcola thizeni, as long as it's not idlozi lakho elikuvalile, as long as kungekuthi wena wathwala, as long as kuwukuthi walala nomuntu othwele bakuthwebula, if bakuthwebula inhlanhla ngemithi, bakuthwebula inhlanhla ngamaphupho, iza. If bakuthwalisa isipoko ukuthi sivale izinto zakho, iza. If unotikoloshi, iza. Ngikusebenze mkhulu. Ngikutshela ukuthi ngikufaka kayi-1, hhayi emanzini abandayo. Angigezi ngamanzi abandayo mpo. Nokufaka nje emanzini akahle awome mkhulu. Ngikufake, ngikusebenze, uphume uhambe nezinto zakho uma ufike uzenze, ubuye kimi within 2 weeks ungitshele ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Wena usuzosho ukuthi hey mkhulu, naku sekucala kwenzakala iy'manga. Iza uzothatha i-above lokukhanyisa, i-above lenhlanhla, i-above lokuvula. Before siphetha bakwethu, I'm sure you have heard of this before. Ngangayazi, manje sengiyayazi ukuthi iyenziwa kanjani. I knew it in theory, but bengayazi ngokweqiniso ukuthi lento mayenziwe. Yingakho I've never spoken about it. Kodwa manje sengiyazi ukuthi iyenziwa kanjani lento. To you, othi mina mkhulu ngihlole iy'nyanga zakhuluma zaze zawoma umlomo, kwaze kwambasha umlomo. Bangitshela ngokuthi ngivalo umndawo, bangitshela ngokuthi umkhulu wami from my dad's side, who is my mother's grandmother, uvala inhlanhla yami. Hey mkhulu, sengihambile, sengifuna ukuzizwela mina ngo-Ian, ngisifuna ukuzibonela ngo-C. Ngithi come and get a mirror reading. Book your mirror reading. Angeke ubhulwe yini. Nginento engizokuhlalisa nayo, akusisilwane. Ngizokuthatha mkhulu, ngikufake kule ndawo, ngifake isipili, ngifake amanzi, ngikwembeze, and then wena usuzokhuluma nabantu bakini ngqo. Ubone ngo-C ukuthi yini le ekuvalile. Uma sowuqedile uzohlala nami ungitshele ukuthi uboneni, uzweni. Then mina I will counsel you. If you are overwhelmed, if uyakhala, if ubone izinto bekungamelanga ukuthi uzibone. Kodwa uma udelile mkhulu, please do not trifle. If you want a mirror reading is no less than 650. Uyabhuka, ungithumela u-650 wakho, uyasho ukuthi mkhulu Saida, I want to speak to my ancestors myself. Uzofika la ngikukhothise lo muthi. After ngizokufaka ngale ngitshele ukuthi nayi yashunqa impepho gogo, nayi yashunqa impepho nkulu, sisi Zemboza, bhuti Zemboza. Asidume-ke manje, ngiyaphuma mina ngishiya khona laphaya. Ngiyobuya mhlazane sowuqedile ngihlale phansi nawe sixoxe. Uzizwele indaba, especially for those of you that say ayikho lento yamadlozi. Take a mirror reading. For those of you that say, hey, sengizamile ukulungisa idlozi ngiyala nala, take a mirror reading. Wena masofuna ukuzwela ngosi, idlozi lakho siliphakamisa ngenkani, amathongo wakho avela ngenkani, wabona wena, uwazwe wena, akhulume kuwe. Book a mirror reading 650, uyabhukha mkhulu, uma ufika ngizokutshela ukuthi wenza njani, and then siyangena. It won't take more than an hour 30 minutes. A mirror reading takes about an hour 30 minutes to 2 hours, hence why I need people to book. Bakwethu 061 178 1304. Mkhosida lo igedla lamashkrishkri. I'm here to help people. If ungangethembi, if uthi inyanga usukhathele yizo, hamba uye kupastor wakho akusize, sebenzisa manifestation usisize. Kodwa wena ozwayo egazini ukuthi ungasizwa yini, iza mkhulu, until silungise, I will work with you. Sizoyenza until ilunge. To those of you that texted me 3, 4, 5 months ago, ngiyacela forward those texts again so that we can work sebenzele siye phambili. Igedla lamashkrishkri leli nyanga yamakhosi, ngiyanibonga bakwethu for tuning into Kemi TV. Please like, share, subscribe so that the algorithm can suggest my videos. Ngiyabona the algorithm is suppressing my videos. I'm not getting as many views due to ukuthi I haven't been posting. So let's get the channel going again. Let's help other people. Aside from you, aside from me, let's help other people with this knowledge that I'm giving. Ngiyasithoba phambi kwenu, nginithanda ngothando kamveli ngithi nibe nosuku oluhle and have a beautiful weekend. Makhosi.